Yeah.
That thing there.
And they didn't even click just then as well.
Yeah. So
all right, it's fixed. Thanks for watching.
Put a bit more juice here.
Cool.
At the bottom. All right, now another pull up. G'day guys, Ninja and Maddie here.
Hello.
Today we've got a real life case study. So what's happened today is Maddie told me he's got this shoulder thing going on when he does a certain amount of pull-ups. And so I haven't actually assessed it or found out where the pain is or anything like that. So we're going to do a real life thing. So tell us a little bit about what's going on with it. And then we'll go down the gym. And
So I just noticed when I do pull-ups that it just clicks a bit. And if I were to do, I don't know, say 20 pull-ups, or I'm just going for like max, like maybe if I get to 100 after 5 minutes, and it's like, I just kept going through the click, and then it's like just forcing it. So I feel like at a certain point it clicks, you just got to click then. But if I can do it without a click, and then obviously it's going to go away. So yeah, picks me up.
yeah. So how much pains when that happens, or what's the discomfort, or what's the irritation, or
The click's nothing. Can push through it. Sometimes adrenaline can kind of make me ignore it. But then we'll say when let's say if I've actually done proper like 100 reps, I reckon I can feel like it feels like a impingement kind of pain, which hurts that you just like lift your arm up sometimes.
All right.
That's if I force it. So,
Let's go downstairs and do 100 chin-ups.
All right.
Pull-ups, pull-ups. 100 pull-ups, and then see if we recreate this pain. All right, let's go. Boom.
All right, so the pull-ups.
Yeah.
So, complete dead hang, lift up, it's all okay, and then come down, click, click, it's right there.
It's in your right or left?
Left.
Yeah.
So maybe if you put your hand there, maybe if you can locate it, I guess.
Yeah, so get up there.
So, pull up, and then, notice that?
Yeah.
I don't think it clicked then.
Is it that? There? Am I on the right spot?
Yeah, yeah.
That thing there.
And they didn't even click just then as well.
Yeah. So
all right, it's fixed. Thanks for watching.
So actually, I might just actually treat you right now.
Oh shit.
So if you come around here, Leo, you can kind of see if you can see where my finger is.
Sorry to interrupt your video, guys, but we're just going to advertise our Patreon platform where we post every day, exclusive content, no towels, just us blokes having fun, treating each other. So if you want to see some MMT action every day, jump over there and you will be very happy. Yeah.
Finger is.
I can't hold on.
I'm trying to. You right? I'm gonna hold him up. How's that?
Yeah,
I'm holding him up. I'm on the spot.
look at him, he's holding me up.
This
Holding me
is
up.
innovation at its finest.
Lifting my whole body weight while pushing into my shoulder.
How's that? Am I on that spot?
Yeah, 100%.
So I'm on the spot. It's right next to the bone. I can feel this tendon that would have been flicking and irritating because it's got a bit of scar tissue on it.
This is hilarious.
Like that.
It's
You need to be
bizarre.
fit to do this job because he's like weighs 80 kilos and I'm fucking lifting him up.
This is bizarre, but it's working. It's actually working.
You can feel the spot. So sometimes you need to recreate the pain.
Maybe I should get like a stool or something.
No, we're good. I just want to do this a little bit longer. I'm going to feel right into there. So I'm pushing in even harder now, right into a spot.
Oh,
Yeah, that flick.
I need
You
to
feel
get
that?
down.
All right, get down.
Oh, my word. Wow. All right.
All right, now let's just move around a little bit for me. You can kind of see the spot where I was on.
Yeah.
That spot there. But it was actually more back in there, but by the time, when his arm was right up in the air, it changed the location. So,
I like how you just like found it straight away. It's
yeah. So let's do another test and see how that feels.
Ooh,
No
yeah.
click?
Nah.
Less?
I like did a little funny like just quick nothing, but it was a slight click, but it was hardly anything.
Yeah. So you might need to do a little bit more, but we'll just get you to do a couple more pull-ups. Better? So it's on that downward phase.
Yeah, I went wider and it clicked more, but it was like very faint. So so that's a spot.
Yeah.
I think we need a stool.
Let's get a stool.
That was hilarious. Lifting someone with one arm and training them.
So what we do is kind of, you'll be able to just put your toes on there but hang for longer.
Yeah.
I might get a stool too. What do you reckon?
Stools for everyone.
Just so we can figure out where I want to go. So if you can just hang again. Maybe I'll put the stool in when you just hang. Can you locate that spot?
Yeah.
Put that forward for you.
Get a good pump in the forearm.
Let's try and get that spot again.
Oh shit.
Just there. Yep. So I can feel like I can really get into it now because I can get my thumb into it rather than just the middle finger. And I can kind of move it and hit onto that spot. Is that on it? Yep. Yeah. In there.
Sugar. Oh,
So yeah, I can really feel that spot. So I'm trying to support him with my other hand. He's doesn't have to strain as much because he can use his feet to not bear all his weight while he's hanging. I can feel that's changing too. As you trying to come over here a little bit. So I can change angles just by moving Maddie's body over.
Oh, crikey.
Go back.
Oh,
Over there. How's that one?
yeah. You're freaking on it.
Yeah, that's on it there.
No mercy.
Yeah, so I'm going to go that way a little bit with him. So make that angle change of his arm.
Oh, this is exhausting.
And I'm going across here a little bit. I'm going to go forwards with him. Like that. Bit of dance. Go backwards. Just feel it changes, just the aspect of the tendon I can kind of hit. So I'm really trying to get that out. I can kind of feel that would have been clicking scar tissue on there, obstructing. You know, once it gets more blood into it, there's not as much space in that area that it needs. Yeah. All right, how you going, man? You good? I reckon you're nearly fixed.
Digging deep.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Give it a few turns.
Yep.
Just sort of get some blood into it, loosen yourself up.
Oh, it doesn't even click when I do that. That's usually a guaranteed click.
Yeah.
I was thinking maybe if you were to go like 20% lighter and I were to do a pull-up,
Yeah.
and try to see
Let's
if we
do
can like
that.
trace it the whole way. Or just
I'm gonna kick this out.
Yeah, it's such a faint, very faint click now, which is crazy.
Yeah, I'll just try and, I reckon that index finger, because it won't be as deep, and then just try and do a slow pull-up so I can stay with you. That's it. Am I on it?
I think you're a bit...
Get off it. Yeah?
So tender. I think
You want more in here?
I think that...
Yeah, there's a different spot.
Oh!
It's all right.
Okay. Alright.
How's that? Was like something clicked there, didn't
That was
it?
a loud click. That was a loud one. I think the mic's even heard that one.
Yeah. So yeah, I can feel that spot. Am I on a good spot? Let's maybe give it a
And no click
bit
there.
of juice when it's here, and then do another pull up.
So don't...
All right. Yeah, I won't go too hard. I'm just going to hold that spot. Yeah, it feels like I can access it more now. How's that, man? And then give it a bit more juice here.
Oh,
And at the bottom.
this is fucked.
All right, now another pull up. All right, come out. So I hardly had any pressure on that time just there.
Kind of pump.
But I was hitting the exact spot where I felt like
Yeah.
Maddie guided me to.
There was no clicks. Those,
Do you want to do one more pull up?
with those ones.
feel
Oh,
good?
no click.
Yeah.
Wow, that's epic.
Anyway,
That's
so
crazy. I hope that stays.
where's the light? Where's the good light? I want a good light on me, mate. So you can kind of see from what we just demonstrated now, we work together. So Matty kind of knows his own body intimately, does pull-ups and bar work all the time through his ninja and rock climbing, bouldering, things like that. So he knew that there was something in his body, and when it gets more pressure in there from extra blood from doing reps and things, it started irritating, clicking, and it doesn't pull up that well. So we worked together, found the exact spot. worked through it while he was doing the exact thing
Exact.
thing that he does.
No recreation in the massage room.
No, there's no,
Great
the
job.
orthopedic testing, that one wouldn't be in the book, I don't think, so might be, but yeah, but we did exactly what he needed to get rid of that irritation, that scar tissue out, so it's fixed.
Yeah, that's sick. Let's
Yeah.
keep doing that another day.
Moral story,
That's great.
yeah. Innovate, yeah, and get it done.
Alright, cool. See ya.